Moving on to our next email question. It comes to us from Frank, and Frank has a question or a situation that happened to him while he was riding his bike. He says, I was riding my bike on the city street when I was hit by a car. The driver stopped, but he doesn't have any insurance. Will my auto insurance cover my medical bills? So what is Frank's fate, gentlemen?
It depends on what kind of insurance he has. What do you think, BJ?
Yeah, it does. Yeah. If he's got the right kind of insurance, he can go against his own insurance. Assuming, of course, that the accident was caused by the car. If he if it's his own, he's riding a bike stupidly and hits a car and it's his fault, he can't recover from anybody via tort, and he wouldn't have any insurance that would cover his injuries. If he's injured as a pedestrian or on a bicycle by a motor vehicle's negligence, and he has the right kind of insurance, uninsured motorist coverage, in this case, that he could collect for whatever his losses are.
Wouldn't most automobile liability policies, even if they have uninsured motorist, by definition, wouldn't they rule out a bicycle? That the policy has any application to the bicycle? It
would, the policy could have a limiting definition, but I think that you'd be, if you're on a bicycle, you're close enough to a pedestrian probably to be covered by the insurance, but it could be excluded or it could be limited in some way by terms of the policy. Terms of the policy always control, as long as they're not more restrictive than Georgia law.
No, I mean, if he had uninsured motorist insurance on his automobile and he gets hit by an uninsured driver,
right?
Let's just assume that it was the automobile driver's fault. Would his uninsured motorist insurance on his automobile policy be applicable to him riding a bicycle? Yes. I think it is. If he's a pedestrian, if he's walking, I think his uninsured motorist.
Yeah, I think, and I'd have to look to be sure, but I think he'd still be covered for human purposes.
I think so too. So that's the answer, Morgan.
Okay.
A lot of ifs in it, but that's the answer.
It depends is the answer we prefer.
It depends. Okay, that's the answer right there. Okay.